Hi, I'm Jahnan Derso, and we're going to do a quick tutorial on the Heal Advisor app for those of you who already own a Healy. First step is to connect your Advisor app to your Healy serial number. You want to download the Heal Advisor app, log in with your same username and password that you use for your other Healy activities. The app looks like that picture on the left corner there. Then select all the programs you have access to with your model. This will populate what to pull your search features from based on what you have. If you can't remember, rule out what you don't have, so any memberships that you haven't bought. The overview here is on the home page will allow you to see your active subscriptions, and this is where you'll get to access them to utilize them further than what you can do on the pink app. Okay, the blue question mark on the top right is how you run a brief tutorial for the app. That can also be helpful to get your bearings here. Let's talk about the Heal Advisor search. This you can use to search for a health complaint and see what programs would potentially address it. So you would use this feature to manually access what programs are best for your chief health complaint, as opposed to in the blue Heal Advisor app. Because in the blue app, it's giving you information based on what most resonates with your body's needs. This is real time, right? But the Heal Advisor search is going to allow you to see what programs match your health complaint so you can directly choose those. So you have a bit more capability to decide what you want to run. Let's talk about how to choose your chief complaint. First, go ahead and talk or journal about your health and number them in order from what's really keeping you up at night. What is your highest health priority to tackle? You might also want to highlight the body parts that it's most affecting. These are going to be shorter phrases that you'll tune it down into in order to really choose those concise words. You may need to put it in the search and then try another phrase before you really nail it. Anyone that knows about homeopathy, this is similar to the repertorizing process. The other thing you want to think about is live scans that you've done in the Blue app, how and what programs have come up, and how these would potentially match what health goals you want to go into the direction next. So this is what that search screen looks like, and this is where you'll put that chief complaint in the search bar. Once we are going to use an example of toe pain, once we do that, the list of options comes up. You want to pick the most relevant, which is listed first. So go ahead and choose that one, in this case, Relief 1. When we do that, this result populates different programs. You can star the program to add to your program pool. You can star them all for a more holistic approach to addressing your health complaint, or just star the ones that you feel more connected to. So let's head, after the search feature, we're going to head back to the home page now, and I'm going to look at the digital nutrition IMF programs with you so that we can set a bigger plan than just a one-off search. So the digital nutrition is specific frequencies of vitamins and minerals to balance your body and achieve your health goals. So in this part of the app, you are able again to manually input your health goals one at a time. The app then gives you the matching programs to consider and apply to a calendar. And that's what's different between this and the search. The other genius of this tool is it's a present time tool that serves your future self's health goals, so that you can utilize the time when you have it to do the legwork that will then benefit you later when you apply the preset programs over the course of the next 2 weeks. Once you type in a word or a short phrase in the search, you'll then get a list of options. They're again listed in order of relevance. Go ahead and tap that first one to populate the programs, star the programs to add it to your pool. And then with the holistic approach, you'll notice the programs that come up aren't limited to the exact phrase that you entered. They're really addressing the whole system to harmonize your health. Okay, let's look a little deeper into, now that you've populated your program pool. On the top left, you can click on that and you'll see all the things that are there. This is where you'll manage these programs. You can unstar them, and it's where you can actually press play. That will then take you over to the pink app to run it. On the right side is the IMF schedule, and you can look at the pinkish purple dots, and these are going to help you see what program has been suggested for that day. So according to your results, these are going to be the optimal programs for the next 2 weeks. You can also scroll to the right by swiping the calendar, and you'll see your previous calendars if you have populated those. The other feature here is you can change your availability. So if you only want to be able to do the programs in the morning and the afternoon, you can uncheck the evening. If you scroll down, you'll see that you can change the topics. So if you want to add more things or switch your current program, you'll have a new search bar come up, and this is in the scheduler. So now you might be thinking, these programs sound great, but I don't understand what they do. You'll want to now cross-reference this in your list of programs manual. This tool will then really help you understand what is going on. So the manual can be found in our boards app under additional resources, and the Healy itself also has a list of the programs, and your back office has some downloads. Okay, back to the digital nutrition. There's another feature where you can create a shopping list, and they populate this shopping list based on your nutritional philosophy. So you'll have to go ahead and fill that out. This is what it looks like. You'll click that button and confirm, and then it will populate a shopping list for you to help match your health goal. So back to the home screen, you can return to see where the bioenergetic vitalization category is. And the little background about this, there's 12 programs specifically designed to target your vitality and energy. So if this is part of your health goals, you'll want to use this feature. And these are based on Nikola Tesla's cross sums of the numbers 3, 6, and 9, and then the hertz are listed here to help you create a match with frequency in order to access more vitality. Okay, so customizing this to your needs, you'll again pull that search up, pop in a phrase like stress, and then the programs will come up and you can star to add them. And then there's another feature in here. So instead of the shopping list, here is your daily revitalization tips, and it will walk you through different ways to exercise and experience greater ease in your life. So this is a quick overview. Here's to your health goals and utilizing time to access a 2-week calendar with the Heal Advisor app. Peace.